Tired of your Solana sitting idle in your Phantom wallet? Let's turn that crypto into cold, hard cash in your Easypaisa account. First, you'll need to convert your Solana to a more common cryptocurrency like USDT. Open your Phantom wallet app and make sure you have enough SOL to cover the transaction fees. Then, use the built-in swap function or send your SOL to a centralized exchange like Binance or KuCoin. On your chosen exchange, navigate to the SOL USDT trading pair. Sell your SOL for USDT. Make sure to double-check the current exchange rate before confirming your transaction. Once the trade is executed, you should see USDT in your exchange wallet. Next, you'll need to withdraw your USDT from the exchange. Find the withdrawal option in your account. Select USDT as the withdrawal currency and, very importantly, choose the Turk20 network. This is crucial for lower fees and faster transactions. Now for the final step to get the money to Easypaisa, use a P2P platform that supports Easypaisa payments. Binance and other exchanges offer this service. Look for buyers with good ratings and complete orders, and make sure they accept Easypaisa. After confirming the sale with the buyer, they will transfer the funds to your Easypaisa account. Once the buyer confirms your payment through Easypaisa, release the USDT on the P2P platform to them, and that's it. Your Solana is now converted to Pakistani rupees in your Easypaisa account. Tinjo.